So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll talk about the skill badges, who have to complete the skill badges and who should avoid doing skill badges. Also I'll share you the credits and guides how to complete the skill badges too. So make sure to watch the video till the end and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming over here directly to the arcade homepage, you must have completed the arcade games which are listed over here. Comment down which games you have completed and how many arcade points you have till now. One more important thing, most of you are facing issue related to slots, like when you try to join the game, you see this game is not open for joining. For example, if I am opening it, as I have already joined and signed in, mostly it will show that, okay, so it's still showing over here, 0 spots remaining. So do not worry, the spots will be added. Okay, it will be added. Just mail to support@qwiklabs.com. If you have watched the shorts which I uploaded already, you can watch it and just mail them. Okay, now coming over here, once you completed all these games, then you have to come to the skill badges. If you see the point system, for every 2 skill badges we get 1 arcade point. Now what is the benefit of skill badges? How does the skill badge actually look? I will show you, do not worry about it. So first of all, let's see how does a skill badge looks like from outer appearance, and after that I'll show you inside the skill badge how many labs are there and whatever we have to complete. So this is a sample public profile. You can see these are the skill badges. Manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud. These type of skill badges are small badges, is skill badge. Okay, the rectangular one. So you can see all these skill badges are there. When you complete these skill badges, for every 2 skill badge you get 1 arcade point, right? So if I just come over here and let me just show you, in the description box of this video I've shared the master sheet over there. From there you have to just come over here and you have to click on pre-assessment skill badges. Now those who are completely new, let me just tell you something about the master sheet. So throughout the cohort, whether you are watching these videos in 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 30, this master sheet will be your guide throughout your journey of the arcade program. Here I update it regularly. Okay, so here we have 2 playlists. If I just open it for your queries, so we have 2 playlists. This one is in English, this one is in Hindi. So if you want to know more about the arcade program in English, including how to reach 90 plus points, 100 plus points, also how to claim the GCP credits, you can see Qwiklabs credits is also there. Similarly here I have covered everything in English. So if you are interested in participating in the arcade program, you can watch these videos and understand about the program and get a chance to get these goodies. Mostly everyone gets the goodies, so there is no chance type of things. Now let's come over here. From here you can see pre-assessment skill badges. Do not complete lab free courses, complete pre-assessment skill badges. You have to just open it, and from here what you have to do, right? You have to see that on the left side all the badges are there, and on the right side the solution guide is there, right? For example, I'm showing you a quick example for this particular badge. So if I just open this badge, inside it you can see there are more than 5 labs. Okay, there are more than 5 labs, but if you do labs from this particular sheet, the benefit is that when you complete the challenge lab, you get the badge entirely. So in arcade games, you must have seen there are around, let me just open any of the game. For example, I'm just opening this badge. So here you can see around 12 labs are there, right? But in skill badges, if you just follow this master sheet, and yes, it is completely legit and working method, because in their platform only they are providing it. Okay. So if you complete only 1 lab, that is when you click on this start challenge, you'll be redirected mostly to the challenge lab. And once you complete this particular challenge lab, you'll get the badge. So if you just see the effort wise, you are earning the points. So if you complete 2 skill badges as per the point system which they have mentioned already, okay, 2 skill badge give 1 arcade point. So it will give you the benefit. Okay, easily you can reach 45 arcade points within, I think, 1 or 2 days. Okay, just by doing skill badges. So this is the method. You have to come to the description box. They have attached the master sheet also, and pre-assessment skill badges. This 92 labs equal to 92 badges. There are more badges also. I'll update it. So when you complete these badges, you get per 2 badge, you get 1 arcade point, and all the solutions are already listed over here, right? Now, who have to complete the skill badges now and who has to complete it later? So first of all, let me come over here to the Arcade Facilitator program. So what is Arcade Facilitator program? I've made a lot of videos on the Facilitator program. You can watch the detailed video and understand about the program also. But in brief, I have to explain you. So it's just a normal add-on program. Okay, our main program is the Arcade program. Okay, whatever points you are earning by completing these badges, you get some Arcade points, right? Except these badges, this is the work meet play. Okay, you have to avoid and do all the remaining badges. Whatever updates I post, just follow the guidelines. You'll be able to get the swags 100% and that too for free. So whatever points you are earning, which will be accumulated, and you can use those points in mostly in June for this cohort for redeeming the prizes. Okay. So in Arcade Facilitator program, they give you extra points. Means you have to complete some of the challenges, just like you're doing arcade games over here only. Okay. You are doing only arcade games over here in the arcade program, but in Facilitator program, we just see the syllabus. Okay. If you just see the point system over here, then you can see there are milestone, means they have created a target based program. Here, in simple words, if you want to understand what is it, so it just gives us bonus point. For example, I'm just giving a rough example. You are having 25 points. You complete some of the challenge and reach ultimate milestone. You'll be having 25 plus 25 points plus the points of all these games. So total, if you complete the points, I'm just giving a sample. Okay, just giving a sample. Don't take it because the point system will be updated in the fresh cohort. So if you have 25 points just now, right? If you are having 25 points just now and you haven't done any skill badges. So with 25 points just now, you'll be having 46 arcade points plus 25 points. So you can see you have 25 points just now and you completed the Arcade Facilitator program. You'll be able to reach 96 points within the duration of 2 months only. So this is why I was recommending, and many people are also recommending, that complete skill badges only during the Facilitator program. And it will be starting mostly in April, because currently it was expected to start from the March end, but they haven't updated anything. So we are expecting it to start from April or May. Okay, April or May, because it will be of 2 months. So mostly it will start from April, or if it starts from May, it will be from May and then it will be continue. Okay. So here most people are asking that should we start skill badges or not. So if you are completely free, you can start. But if you are having any major exam, okay, you are preparing for any exam, you are having interviews, you are just busy. In simple words, you are busy with something better. Okay, these programs will come every year. But if you are having something better, something bigger, which will help you to improve your life, I will suggest do not participate in the Facilitator program, because that thing is more important. You have to prioritize whatever thing is more important for your life, for your good. And you can do skill badges. It's very simple. Okay, it's very easy. You can easily complete within 2 days if you want. Also for the Facilitator program, if you want to participate in the Facilitator program, then also it's well and good. But if you want to complete these badges, okay, if you want to complete these badges just now, it will require some credits. And in the Facilitator program also, you'll be getting the credits. But most people are trying to complete the badges and they need credits. So for example, if I'm just opening any of the lab, so this lab was open. Here you can see 5 credits are required. For credits also, you don't have to worry, because we are providing credits since 2021. So for the credits, you have to just come to the channel directly. Okay, or you can just check the video description. I will attach that video also. For credits, you can see this is the video. Okay, so from here you have to watch the video and you'll be getting 300, 400, I think 300, 400 or 500 credits you'll be getting, with which you can easily complete. Mostly I think 200 credits, less than 200 credits will be required to complete all these challenges. Hardly. Even if more are required, you can just take the benefit of it. You can just create a new account. Okay, create a new account and then just share it with your old account. How to share the credits, you can watch this video. And how to participate in this program, what is insider email, whether you should take care about the leaderboards, etc. or not, or you using old account, okay, old account or new account. all things I've already covered. So in simple words, if you want to take part in the facilitator program, it's well and good, wait for it. And if you want to complete skill batches now, you can start from today also and complete it if you are having something big on your mind and on your exams are also coming. So take the benefit of it. All solutions are there, and if you're interested in other events also, you can always explore the channel. There are much more things to explore. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.